Hi, like we are married for 7 years and we are trying to conceive for like the same time of period. And we met many doctors before we met Dr. Rhythm, and we were not clear what was the issue or like why we were not able to conceive. And after meeting her, we felt like we got some hope. Okay, we also can become parents. Like the way she speaks always gives us hope and lot of confidence on us. And last year, like Feb 1st, we met her for the first time, and the journey started with her. And today, this is 11th February, and we three are here with our first baby. And the throughout this period, she was so helpful. She was always available over calls, messages, irrespective of time. Whenever we send a message, she responds in like immediately, and all our questions were answered. We never went home with open questions. And thank you so much, doctor, for the gift that we are waiting for 7 years.
So in fact, we have met many doctors. They were not able to spend so much time in explaining the things that we were going through. So she was very cooperative and in explaining all the things to make sure that we stay positive throughout the process. That's the best part.
Yeah.
In fact, even while traveling for 4 hours, we never felt we were tired or we were traveling so much. So she was always available on time, and so that's the best part. In fact, we have seen in other hospitals where people spend even hours just to meet the doctor. Sometimes they don't even meet the main doctor. So that's the best part here. Yeah, thank you again for not only doctor, all the hospital staff. They were very cooperative throughout our journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.